great day at Byrider. My name is Destiny. I'm here to tell you about our top safest vehicles for new families. Safety is top concern for many people with or without families. Here at Byrider, we understand that the need to protect what's yours, which is why we offer a wide selection of safe and reliable vehicles to fit your and your family needs. Some of the safest family vehicles we have are available are Nissan Pathfinder and a Subaru Outback. Notorious for their safety ratings and reliability. Both Nissan and Subaru are great contenders when it comes to safety. But it doesn't end there. We have a wide selection of varying makes and models that are applauded for their safety and reliability. As well as all of our vehicles come with a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty included. If you are looking to get into a safe vehicle for your family, give us a call at 920-204-0300 or stop in today at 44 North Carolina Drive in Fond Du Lac. Let's see about getting you driving today.